Guys, I'm Shum Joshi and I'm back with my next video. This time I'm going to tell you about a matrix program, multiplication of two matrices in C++ programming. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so let's start. Here I have written only 49 lines. So I will start from starting. Include IOStream, Conio. Only two functions are used here, void main, clearclar. For printf or messages, I have written here enter first matrix element 3 into 3. Means we know that there should be 9 element present. For second also same, enter second matrix element 9, same. Here's the condition for j is equal to 0, j is greater than 3, j plus plus. And again printf message that multiplication of two matrices and then answer. Sum is equal to mat1 plus mat2. So mat1 is considered here k and mat2 is j. So this is only the program for 48 or 47 lines. Now I will compile. Alter F9 for compile. Here are 0 errors and 0 warning. So let's see the output. Alter R for run. Okay, enter the first matrix element. We know 3 into 3 means 9. There should be 9 elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now enter second matrix element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, multiplication of two matrices. The answer is 30, 36, 42, 66, 81, 96, 102, 126 and 150. So this is the answer. This is the best program for 11th and 12th science students and also for coders for C and C++. So for source code you can Gmail me at my Gmail address given in the description. So thank you. All about multiplication of two matrices. Hope you like the video. So please like, comment, share and also subscribe. So this is a useful program for 11th and 12th science student and also useful for the coders for C and C++. For source code you can Gmail me at my Gmail address. So thank you.